You need to watch this until the end. Seriously, this recipe is simple, quick, and absolutely amazing. We start by cracking 3 eggs into a bowl. And here's a quick tip. The fresher the eggs, the tastier and more beautiful your omelet will be. Now, season with salt to taste and whisk a little, just enough to mix the whites and yolks well. Now it's time to add that special touch. Add black pepper to taste and also oregano. These 2 ingredients make all the difference, bringing aroma and that flavor that instantly opens up your appetite. Now comes a little secret that many people don't know. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is what will make your omelet more structured, slightly firmer, and with an amazing texture, almost like a light dough. It really makes a big difference in the final result. Next, add parsley to taste. Besides adding a fresh flavor, it also makes the omelet more beautiful and gives it that irresistible homemade look. And now the star. Finish our preparation with a can of tuna. Mix it well. And look, tuna is not only super practical, it's rich in protein and turns a simple omelet into a complete meal. You can already imagine the smell, right? Now, in a frying pan, add a little olive oil and heat it up. Spread the oil well so it doesn't stick, and to ensure that nice light golden color. Pour all the mixture into the pan, spreading it evenly. And tell me, while you're watching, which city are you watching from? I want to know where all the people who love practical recipes like this are from. Let it brown on one side, and now comes the part many people think is difficult, but just stay calm. Using 2 spatulas, carefully flip the omelet to cook the other side as well. This trick helps prevent it from breaking and keeps it looking beautiful. After it's nicely browned on both sides, your omelet is ready. Now just transfer it to a plate, and that's it. A tuna omelet with cornstarch, super practical, tasty, and perfect for any time of day. You have no idea how delicious this omelet is. A light, with a texture that surprises with every bite. Make it at home and tell me what you think.